The zero arm, designed for confined spaces, low-level work, while we are working on our stomachs, forward leaning. Here's how it works. Allows me to stay off of my elbows and still have all the dexterity of two hands. The zero arm, also used for inverted work. Let me show you. Instead of wearing it on the front of our body for forward leaning work, we use it in tight environments while inverted. Right now, I'm in a positive position. My core is not engaged whatsoever, and I am above my work. You can also use it for my neck. The zero arm, for inverted use. The neck up. This tool is designed to help us while we are working inverted, while we are laying flat on our backs, working upward. This is how it works. We attach it to the belt clip. Then we attach the leg support below the knee. Last, we secure the elastic belt to the back of our leg. We are now ready to work inverted. Now, we take this and put it behind our back. Right here. Now, I'm able to maintain an otherwise impossible position. Right now, there's no stress on my core, and yet I am maintaining an impossible position that I gain leverage with. I want to generate force, simply stretch your legs out. Release, put everything back in the bag, and get out of your environment. Now, it's time to deploy it. Undo it, pull this out, goes behind our head. All the power is in my knee. Now, if I want to go up, I simply stretch my leg out to generate force. The power of my leg is enough to hold up my entire neck. Position 1, one leg. Position 2, the V. This goes to my left knee. I have more stability this way. Goes to the back of the head. Lock it in. There it is. I can work in this position all day long without the muscles being strained.